Hi guys, welcome to my quarantine. Ooh, one more time. Hi guys, welcome to my quarantine vlog. Today's the third day of my quarantine, so 9 days more to go. Wow, and the weather is always beautiful. I can feel the breeze. I'm okay because I'm so glad I didn't get hospitalized because I called my mom and she told me like she felt like she is present and she feel like she is the subject of a research. Nobody comes to their room and they just put some food at a specific time 3 times a day and that's it. They told me like they feel a lot better, so I'm happy about that. And the reason why I did my makeup because I had an interview in the morning and I also record a song and film, so that's the reason. Right now I'm exporting what voice turns black. Anyway, so it takes more time, so I'm gonna water some plants. I have some plants. They are not mine, they are my father's, but she told me like, oh, you need to water them, and I wanna do. I thought I would finish the recording less than 1 hour, but I think I record that like here and there, but the total came to 1 hour, so I feel like my throat is so sour. So it sounds a little bit cranky, I don't know. I'm gonna water the plant and just gonna remove all makeup and chill out. That's the plan. Yeah, it's just like normal existence. I wanna practice a song, but feel like my voice is not really great and my throat hurts. So let me just water some of my plants. Not my plant, my father's. I'm gonna use this, plastic, what else, container. Because I don't know, they have water, I don't know how to call that. And I will show the mini garden in my apartment. Oh my god, the weather is freaking amazing. And I might just stay a bit here because I feel like I need some sunlight. These are all plants we have. Yeah. So I will do. I'm not sure I'm feeling well. I think I can eat some of them like in a salad or something because I'm running out of food. I need to order. Wow, it takes a lot of work, but I'm gonna keep going. Second row. Oops. Okay, almost done. Yes. Finish. Oh no, one more. Oh, proud of myself. It's so sunny outside. I wanna go outside. Because I feel like getting the sunlight is really important for me. So that's my, what else, ritual? Oh my god. Water is out of, so I'm gonna finish my vlog. No point to do more, it's so boring, right? Yeah, so I hope you guys have a beautiful day and I will talk to you tomorrow. Hi guys, beautiful day. Today, the 4th day of quarantine, I finished my workout. I'm feeling really great. Exercising keep me going. I cannot go to gym, so I want to explore more different types of workout at home. Especially I want to do more like HIIT workout. I wanted to do that more because I'm not the big fan of cardio. I prefer to just lifting. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. She talks like a really motivational words or something like that. That really inspirational. I love that. I finished my workout, so I'm just gonna stretch a bit and take a shower and lunch. And my task is today just uploading a video, the previous quarantine vlog, and I also wanna do laundry. So that's all I wanna do for today. So yeah, I'm just gonna stretch a bit and hop in the shower. The weather is too beautiful just being at home, but looks like a prison, but not really. The weather is really great. Looks like I don't have enough sleep, but I had a good sleep. Yeah, I prioritize my sleep these days. Health is #1 priority, mental health, physical health, both. So I'm editing my vlog, almost done. I was supposed to add one more clip, but felt like it's gonna be too long. I think less than 10 minutes might be the best. So there you go. I need to do laundry. Hi guys, welcome back to my quarantine vlog. Today is 5th day of my quarantine. What date is today? 9th April and Friday, so 9 days more and the weather is amazing. It's like a usual day, I just woke up, study, work out, call to my mom. They're okay right now. Right now it's 3 o'clock. I thought I would finish all the editing till 2, but almost 1 hour more. I finished editing this video. This video is about talking about hiking shoes, so I'm gonna upload that tomorrow, but I'm exporting right now. I'm gonna do some chores such as washing dishes and folding the clothing. You know, I did the laundry yesterday, so I'm gonna do some chores. Before doing my chores, I'm gonna introduce some product I got today. I think it's really cool. Oops, there is only one box because my room right now is literally a mess. Every time I film, like after filming, it looks like a total mess. I don't know, I clean up everything. I like to organize things. I like to make things look neat. But every single day, you know. Oh yeah, so here I'm gonna show you. Oh god, it's so dark. I wanna use the natural light. I'll just forget about the mess. So basically a company sent this product. This is called Smartpen. If I write down something with this pen on this note, this goes right into the application I downloaded on my phone. I can store my notes on the application. So this pen literally digitalized my writing on this notebook. Pretty cool, but I haven't tried it yet because I got it like yesterday and just opened it to make a video, so I haven't tested it out and I have to recharge it before use it, so I'm gonna try it. And they like send a bunch of other notes here, such as like this is for taking notes in our lectures, and this is also a planner, so I can use it. I prefer to write down things using a pen. I'm gonna try that soon, but before that I'm gonna recharge it and I'm gonna upload the video as well. I'm gonna upload 4 content related to this item, so stay tuned. Yeah, so basically that's the only thing I want to share for today, and I'm gonna clean up the room. Yeah, really simple day. I might do some yoga. I also want to try this one and study. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now. Anyway, 9 more days to go, so I'm excited about that. So bye bye, see you tomorrow.